Alright, I'm going to make a tutorial of how to add the lift straps to a crane. This is FS Miner's Grove crane, the GRT 655. So if you open up the i3D, let's make sure we're in the, okay, editor KM, which is where we want to be. And then what we're going to want to do is find the hook, right? So there's chassis, there's the crane. The boom. And then we know it's, I know it's all the way down through here. Then we got the hook. Hook there. Hook again. And the attached trunk. Okay, so this is where we want to put them. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a transform group. I'm going to take that, cut it, put it inside the hook. All right, we're going to maneuver this down to roughly where we want these to be. Going to call it lift straps.001. With these, again, the strap likes to come off the back end of the blue. So these we're going to rotate -90. Right. I'm going to do Control D to copy it. I'm going to do this one, which is going to be +90. And we're going to do two more, 3 and 4. And this is going to be shifted aft just a little bit. There we go. All right, so now we save that. That should work. We're going to give it into here. I'm going to use the i3D mapping exporter to open, to get the reference font, the references for it, the mappings. So now here in the Grove, we can go all the way down to the bottom, put this in. You notice, you look here, you'll see light _2. That means there's, for in this case, you can see there's 3 here. So there's 3 other objects inside the file just called light. Yeah, here we go. Here's light 0, light 1, light 2, light 3. If you want to actually use these references, I highly suggest mapping them uniquely. And what's nice about using the i3D mapping is if you have to cut and shift something to another object, you can save it in the i3D, and all you got to do is update this. You don't have to go up here and update all these node references like you would have to with this crane. Okay, perfect. So what we need now is we need these target attachers. So this is inside the Terex. I'm going to need my beginning tag. Sorry, it's a big section. So connection hoses, the beginning tag. So we'll put that there. I'm going to go down to the bottom of this section. Connection hoses end tag, which I'm actually going to copy this whole thing because this is the target hoses. There we go. Okay, so cutter. Perfect. So here's the attacher joints. The hook we know is for the cutter, which is this right here. So that's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. So attacher joint 4. And then the name was lift straps. I think it was lift straps. Yeah. So now we can do this. Since it's only one lift strap in there, we'll check to see if that works well. Now we can gotta find where the crane is at. I don't remember where he puts his cranes. Maybe Miscellaneous. Yeah, here we go. Alright, so we're going to buy this. I'm going to detach this crane from the box. Go in here. Okay, so now I'm going to attach it. Okay, so either we don't have the right reference or not the right, probably not the right reference. Input attacher joint, or possibly not the right name. Lift straps. Okay, so that's right. Lift straps. So we got so that's 1, 2, 3, 4. Double check. Always gotta double check. Yep, that was cutter. So it should be that one. It's electric. No adapter type. Connection hoses. Ah, I know why. There's already a connection hose section. So all we gotta do is cut this out. Put it in here. Then we can delete that. Now if we go back in, reload it, there we go. And as you can see, you just need to adjust the placement of the strap, the little nodes up on top. Besides that, now this crane has that for all the objects that I've done. So just to show that to you guys, we'll do I'll do a weight. That one's for that. That was really tight in there. Okay. So I'm going to back up, move the box out of the way. And let go. So this doesn't use 2 attacher nodes, it just uses 1, so you have to attach it every specific direction. But as you can see here, now I'm guessing that this crane probably doesn't weigh the right amount for what it should, because that's a 10-ton ballast. And I think this crane should be able to lift that. I don't know how far out though. It could also be it just didn't have the outriggers out. And that could be why it didn't want to lift it at that radius. But as you can see, the straps are there for this now. They're a little bit funky up top, but that could be my problem with the ballast, or it could be I didn't set these up right, because I've learned and changed things as I go. But yeah, there we go.